Hi, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can design a professional looking business card completely on your phone. So follow along and make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Firstly, open the Pixellab app and change the image size. We need the canvas size to be that of the business card size. So we are using 1050 pixels by 600 pixels. This is for the horizontal business card. Next, input the logo. I showed you how to design this logo in the previous video, so you can check it out. Resize the logo and place it at the center. Then change the background color to fit that of the logo, which is yellow. Then make it align at the center. With the shape tool, draw a rectangle to make a border for the website URL. Scale down and apply stroke. Recolor stroke and everything to black. Then move it downward. Use the grid tool to center it at the middle. And with the text tool, write a website URL. And in this case, we just use a random one. Apply the color yellow to this text for it to stand out against the black background. Also, change the font and make it a bold and nice one. Here, I'll be using one of my favorite one, Nevis. Scale it down and align it at the center. Then place it at the middle of the black border. And oh yes, we have our front side of the business card. Let's save this as project and as image. I'll just give it any name here. If you learn one thing or the other, please drop a like. It will really be appreciated. And subscribe if you haven't already. Now for the back side, divide this canvas into two with the rectangular shape tool. And give it a black color. Make sure you activate the grid tool as we will be using it a lot in this section. Click the settings and we change the position of some of this line. We'll be using this to create a safe zone. So whatever I want to write will be within these borders. Next, import your logo, or in this case, I will unhide it. Place your logo at the center of the second quarter. With the text tool, write out the name and position of the individual. You may have to change the color of the text to black. And change the font to a bolder one. And again, we use the Nevis font. Duplicate this to write the position. Scale this down to create contrast. Next is to write out the contact details, and you can duplicate this text. Change the color to make it visible. You can now group the names together and place it at the desired location. Now import the contact icons. All these will be available in the description below. Scale it down proportionally. Change the color to yellow and place it at the second half. Then make sure the icons doesn't go outside the safe zone. Duplicate this icon and reselect it. Choose the other icons. scale this down to 7%, and we're going to do the same for the other icons. Then move and align it to the call icon. Import the last icon. And do the same as the previous ones. So now type the contact infos. Scale things down. And now for us to balance this text with the icons, we need the grid tool. So pick a ruler and place it at the center of one of these icons. In this case, the call icon will be used. And again, do the same for the other icons. Resize this text and duplicate it. Make sure the text are balanced by using the ruler. Type the address, and in this case we just use a general address. Duplicate this also and type out the email. Place the logo at the quarter 4 of this business card. And if you watch my previous video, you will know that this logo is generated from a font. So I'm going to recreate the logo, but in this time without the black background. So increase the right padding and place it at the quarter 4 of this business card. Also scale it up and reduce the opacity. And now we have a cool looking, elegant, professional business card. Make sure you share this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Change the color text to yellow. Right now, the backside of our business card is ready. Save as image and project. Thanks so much for watching till the end. If you have any question, drop them below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.